Hi, everyone. Judge Andrew Napolitano here for Judging Freedom. Today is Wednesday, November 9th, 2022. It's about 3:10 in the afternoon here on the East Coast of the United States. Last night, a Texas state judge sealed, that is, locked up from public view, the results of the autopsies of the 19 people slaughtered in the Uvalde school massacre. She did this at the request of the local district attorney, the county prosecutor, because the county prosecutor filed an application before this judge saying, we are contemplating, are you ready for this? Criminal charges. Didn't say against whom, but of course the murderer is dead. The only criminal charges could possibly be against school or police officials. But the judge accepted this application. There was nobody to challenge it. I would imagine that the press will challenge it. If you've ever read an autopsy report, it's rather detailed, sterile, and filled with medical terms. The photographs of an autopsy you don't want to look at. You'll never forget them. You'll never get them out of your brain for as long as you live. But all of this information, the information gathered at the scene, the descriptions of the autopsies, and the photographs of the autopsies have been sealed. This is fascinating that the local county prosecutor is contemplating presenting evidence to a grand jury and asking them to indict someone. Under the law, the police cannot be indicted or charged or even sued for the failure to solve a crime or the failure to stop a crime. If there's something different in the law under Texas law, I'm unaware of it, but that's the law of the land as the Supreme Court has interpreted it. Regular watchers of Judging Freedom know that they've heard me discuss the Deschaney, D-E, capital S-H-A-N-E-Y doctrine. The Deschaney doctrine, it's named after the case. The Deschaney doctrine says that the police are not required to keep us safe. It sounds crazy. That's what we pay them for. That's what we give them guns and badges for. But they're not required to keep us safe, nor are they required to solve a crime or stop a crime. They have limited resources, and they are able to exercise their judgment as to how to use those resources. This is, of course, a very different case. It's not like the police were stopping a bank robbery while this was happening. 376 cops, local, state, and federal, were inside and outside that school for 45 minutes before they did anything to stop this. Is that a crime? I don't know, but I guess we're going to find out. Judge Napolitano for Judging Freedom.